Again, test your app as often as you need. Make sure the buttons work. So the start button works, stop button works, reset button works. Nice. Now let's get these memory plus, memory recall, memory minus buttons to work. For that to work, we need another sensor item. Nope, storage item. Storage item. So we're going to store any data in part of the tablets, the phones, the whatever's internal memory. So I'm going to use this thing here called a tiny database. So I go to click, drag, drop it. It's also an invisible component. There it is. Let's code for this. All right. So let's scoot down a little bit to have more room here. Memory plus. So when I click this memory plus button, I need it to remember the best time. Let's say Downing is timing and you ran the fastest time. You store your current time in memory. Where's your time? Right here. Your time is this variable called stopwatch time. I want to remember this time in the database. All right. So I'm going to go to my database and I'm going to store a value. So I'm going to call a database store a value. And this tag means what are you going to save it as. So if I go file save as on a computer, what's my file name? I'm just going to call mine best time. Does that make sense? It's our best time. And what am I going to store? I'm going to store whatever is in the global stopwatch times number. So if you ran a 50-yard dash, Downing hit start, you hit stop, whatever your time is, it's going to store it. So memory plus button is ready. Memory plus clicked, calls database, store this value. This is my save as file name. That's what it stores. Memory plus is good to go. Next, memory recall. Let's say it's the middle of the next hour and Downing goes, hey, someone last hour ran a pretty fast time. Where did they run? Let's recall it. So same thing. Memory recall clicked. He wants to take and he wants to get a value. Not clear, not get tags, get the actual value. But notice here, this is a plug-in, not a actual event handler. It's a plug-in one. So he's going to take and he's going to search the database for this file name. So don't spell it wrong. I'm going to duplicate it. He's going to look for the best time and retrieve it. If there's no value there, meaning nothing's been stored, it's going to bring back maybe just the word empty. That way he knows that, hey, there's no time. Or maybe it's a dash, 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 just so he knows. Something that when he hits the memory recall button, if there is no time, it'll show a little sign saying, hey, nothing here. All right? So I want to have that memory recall button, when I click it, to show up here what it is. All right? I want it to show. So I want to have the label be set to whatever that is. So my label, I'm going to set my label text to whatever is in that memory. So now I push the memory plus button. It stores that time. Hit the recall button. It sets the label to that time. Okay? And last is, let's say your time is beaten. He wants to clear it out and have a new student added. So me, I'm going to go a long click. That way it's not an accidental click by accident. It's going to intentionally hold the button down. And that's going to clear out some stuff. So I want it to have it to, you can clear all or clear tags. If I clear the tag, I'm going to clear all. That way anything in there is going to be cleared out. But I also want to have this cleared and show it's been cleared. So the label will set the text to, so Downing knows when he clicks it, he won't like get freaked out. That's the label to, I'll just put cleared or memory clear. Or how about 0.0? That way it'll match the actual clock itself and boop, zero it out. So we got it. Why is it mad? Let's find out. Clear. There's a plus button. Let's look. Duplicate. Where is it at? Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, the wrong clear button. Good catch. So go away. I want to have memory clear. There we go. Memory long click. That's better. So now the button's clicked. Whatever time's on the stopwatch gets stored. Memory recall recalls whatever was stored and shows. Memory click long click clears it, resets it to 0. Memory buttons are now ready to go.